Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi squishy paper. First, gather your materials, including various colored papers, sharp scissors, and a good quality glue stick or liquid adhesive. Next, you'll want to cut your main paper into the base shape for your sushi, perhaps a rectangle for a nigiri or a longer strip for a roll. This initial step sets the foundation for your fun craft, ensuring you have everything ready to begin. Now let's craft the individual sushi elements. Take your white paper and cut it into small, irregular strips or shapes to mimic the rice. For the toppings, use vibrant colored papers to represent fish, avocado, or cucumber. Cut these into appropriate sizes and shapes. Carefully layer these pieces onto your rice base, creating the distinct look of your chosen sushi type. With your sushi components ready, it's time for assembly. Use your adhesive to firmly attach all the layers together, ensuring they won't separate. The key to the squishy texture involves crumpling and then gently unfolding the paper several times, carefully working the material to soften it without tearing. Once you achieve the desired squishiness, let your creation dry fully. To finalize your squishy sushi, consider adding small details like thin strips of black paper for nori or tiny dots for sesame seeds. Gently reshape your sushi if needed, ensuring it maintains its appealing form and squishy feel. Your unique paper sushi is now complete. Remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.